There's something uniquely enchanting about a walking stick, especially when it's transformed from a simple piece of wood into a spellbinding prop fit for a witch or wizard. Imagine in your hands a staff that whispers stories of ancient magic and mysterious adventures. The process begins with selecting the right piece of wood, maybe a gnarled branch from an old oak or a smooth shaft of maple. The feel of the wood, its texture and weight, matters as much as its look. It should rest comfortably in your grip, as if it's been waiting for you to bring it to life. Once you've chosen your stick, the magic truly begins. Carbide burrs, small but powerful carving tools, allow you to etch intricate designs into the surface with impressive detail. The whir of the tool and the scent of fresh wood shaving set the stage for your creative journey. Picture the first lines appearing on the shaft. A snake short winding its way up the stick, its scales carved with precision. The snake's eyes glint, its tongue flicks out in silent warning. Perhaps you add a bat, wings outstretched, perched near the top as if ready to take flight the moment you cast a spell. The bat's tiny fangs and delicate wing bones emerge from the wood with every careful movement of your hand. Further down the stick, a skull grins wickedly, its hollow eyes staring into the distance. You carve cracks in its forehead, teeth sharp and uneven, giving it the look of something unearthed from a forgotten crypt. Each design, snake, bat, skull, serves not only as decoration, but as a symbol of power and mystery. The kind of details that make your walking stick not just a prop, but the centerpiece of your costume. As you work, you can personalize the stick even more. Perhaps you engrave runes or sills between the creatures, each one hinting at ancient spells or secret knowledge. The symbols might represent protection, transformation, or the ability to command the forces of darkness. You could add swirling patterns that wrap around the stick, connecting each figure, making the entire length seem alive with movement and energy. Finishing touches truly bring the walking stick to life. You might stain the wood a deep, rich color, mahogany, ebony, or a forest green, to accentuate the carved designs. A coat of varnish adds a subtle shine and protects your work. If you're feeling bold, you could highlight the engravings with colored paint or metallic ink, making the eyes of the snake glow or the skull shimmer under candlelight. With the walking stick complete, imagine the transformation. As you grip it, you feel the power of your creation. The carved snake seems to slither beneath your fingers, the bat ready to take wing at the slightest movement. The skull reminds you of the mysteries of the night, and the runes whisper forgotten secrets. With this prop, your costume becomes much more than just fabric and makeup. It becomes a story. You're not just dressed as a witch or wizard. You're carrying a tool that suggests a lifetime of magical exploits, adventures in shadowy forests, and encounters with spirits and creatures of the dark. Whether you're attending a costume party, performing on stage, or simply looking to add a touch of eerie enchantment to your Halloween ensemble, a custom-engraved walking stick can be that final, unforgettable detail. It's a piece that invites curiosity, inspires conversation, and adds a sense of authenticity to your character. The time and care you put into carving the designs reflect your dedication, and the result is a prop that's as unique and memorable as the magical persona you've created. So, as you step out into the night, staff in hand, you do so not only in costume, but in character, ready to cast spells, tell stories, and embrace the magic of the moment.